back with another video. Today I'm here in San Bernardino, California, Los Angeles, we're in LA, about East LA, San Bernardino. I came to the first In-N-Out burger, the original In-N-Out burger. Online they say they open, but I came here, they say they open till 5. Everything is closed, so I don't know if they actually open or not. They have benches over there, look. They have benches. This is the original location. This is the first location. This is where they invented the drive-thru, by the way. In-N-Out, the drive-thru. Look. This is the original location right there. You drive through there, you get your food. In-N-Out. This is where they invented literally like the first ever drive-thru. It's over here. It's a tiny spot. Look at this. It's tiny. And now they have more than 300 locations, and the company is worth like billions. See that? The menu is pretty simple. 4 items: burgers, cheeseburgers, fries, and cold drinks. Two-way speaker. Really nice. That's what it is. And then behind the bridge they have a museum and a modern In-N-Out. Check it out. So it's a replica of the original one, so they did some remodeling to it. Look, replica of the original In-N-Out burgers. So you see, for burgers, fries, and drink, please visit our restaurant on the other side of the freeway. They actually open, replica open for viewing and photos only. I don't think they serve food here. So they open on Thursday to Sunday, 11 to 2 p.m. Oh, I see now. I don't think they serve food over here. That's how it was back in I don't know when exactly they opened, but I think 1980 or something. So you drive through there, you get your food, and you're out. In-N-Out, get your food and get the hell out. I might fly the drone, and I might go to the museum, I might get some food, and that's gonna be it. The drone. Now we're gonna head to the. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna include drone shots, and the sign is lighting up right now. So across the bridge is the museum and the gift store, and they have a modern one. That's what it is. Back then the burgers were way cheaper, like not even $1. The drone shot would look sick. So after this bridge, we're gonna get underneath the bridge. We're gonna go to where they serve food and they have a gift store. I'm sure you guys. I'm gonna stop it for now. Let's check out the museum before it gets dark. They have a museum in and out university called In and Out University. I bet this is where they train people, I guess. In and Out company store. This is the official store of In and Out. Let's see what they sell here. Oh, it's merch. Hello, how are you?
I'm sorry you kept me from here.
Oh shit, sorry. No filming in there, never mind. You cannot film in there, but all they do is they sell merch. They have merch. You can see from here, it's fine. It's a merch store. It's fine. And that's where you can get burgers, I guess. Because they have probably exclusive stuff. They don't want people to know about it. Exclusive merch, I understand. Let's check out this one. I need to use the bathrooms. I'm not that hungry. I had food at home. But let's check it out. All their locations are pretty much packed. Let's get out of here. I'm actually full. I don't even have to. Look how busy it is in there. Let's get in there. You can sit outside. I'm gonna use the bathrooms. Let's do a turn from here. That's my friend right there. The menu is pretty simple.
You want me to get the cup for you? I can show you.
So this is what they sell at the store over there. You can buy this at the other store over there. The t-shirt, 48. And they sell they sell holidays and stuff. Pretty cool. Should they get something or not? I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. This dude got a backpack. You don't know what backpack is there? Sorry. I'm gonna get a single because I'm not that hungry. I ate earlier. We're gonna get a single cheeseburger with animal fries. Let's go. I'm actually full. I ate at home. I came here just to check out the first ever In and Out over there. I'm gonna order over here, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna get a single with animal fries and a drink. Let's order. Can I get a single cheese with animal fries and a drink?
Cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Would you like any onions?
With onions, please.
You said animal fries?
Yeah, and fountain drink.
En las tres, maybe 12, 18. En todas. Te voy a regular. Maybe 12, 18.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
You guys 34.
The other location opens or no? It's just for pictures, no? The original.
They're open to get like merchandise. If you like
¿Sabes
clothes,
las próximas? ¿El tomate está bien?
Oh yeah, that was just for pictures.
¿En las tres? I had to get something. Let's get a drink. Let's get a lemonade. Excuse me.
Exactly what I said.
I'm gonna eat outside. I think that's my food right there. That's only 4?
34. Any cash for you today?
Thank you. That's it.
Thank you.
That's what I got. Single with the animal fries.